Hello guys, this is the unboxing of Skullcandy Ink 2.0 black and white earphones. Let's unbox the box. So you can see this is the package I have got, very nicely packed. Let's uncover this. And this is the headphone. I can see Skullcandy branding, some written works, and Skullcandy inked. MRP 1699, and extra earbuds. I bought this from Flipkart in clearance sale. I got this in around 750 rupees. This is the black and white version. Okay guys, I have unpacked the packet. I should warn you about this packet. This is really tough to remove, man. Hell of a packet, man. Hell of a packet. So here are some paper stuffs. Skullcandy global warranty and guidelines, and this is these are the extra birds, and so guys, these are the headphones. As you can see, nice chromium finish. You can see Skullcandy logo, and Skullcandy logo, and here is Skullcandy typical logo written inked, and mic, Skullcandy branding, and it has some warnings. And we have got some paperwork here. They show how to use the button. One click you can make calls, and 3 clicks previous track, 1 click for play pause, voice command, and next track. And here is 2-year global warranty. Okay guys, this was the unboxing of Skullcandy inked earphones. See you in the next video. Bye.